my name is Kylie. I will be telling you about how you can use worked examples to improve your academic performance. So what are worked examples? A worked example is a step-by-step demonstration of how to perform a task or solve a problem. In your most recent math class, do you recall seeing a problem in the textbook where the solution and explanations for each step of the solution were provided? That was a worked example. So how can you use worked examples? Worked examples are most effective when used during the early stages of learning new material and when the type of problem or task that you're working to complete can best be solved using a series of steps. The key to using worked examples is to self-explain each of the steps along the way. In other words, actively think about where, why, what, or how you arrived at each individual step. Doing this will help you to develop a schema, that is, a mental form or representation of the overall problem or task. You can learn more about using self-explanation as a study strategy for a variety of your learning needs by reviewing the self-explanation module in this course. There are several ways in which you can make the most of worked examples. To begin, you can take advantage of any teacher-provided textbook or online worked examples that correspond to the new concept you're learning. You can work with a study partner and go through a worked example together, stopping to help each other self-explain each step before attempting to solve a similar problem on your own. And the more often you engage in worked examples, the more effective they will be at helping you solve a problem from start to finish on your own. So you can continue to use the worked examples for a type of problem until you gain expertise in your ability to complete similar problems entirely on your own. Once you've acquired the necessary skills to complete a particular problem or task category, for example, in learning how to calculate the area of a shape, there is no need to continue to use worked examples in other similar problems. Just go ahead and complete the problem. Although using worked examples in problem solving for subjects like math or physics is clear, worked examples can also be used for other learning needs. For example, you can use worked examples when writing a scientific paper or completing a case study. As long as the problem or task can be solved or completed in a series of steps, worked examples can be used as a study strategy. Overall, worked examples can be an effective study strategy as you begin your work to master new concepts in class that involve stepped procedures. Now let's complete a quick review. What are 3 ways worked examples can help you learn? Helps me to separate my problem or task into smaller individual components, requires me to learn and identify the what, where, why, and how I arrived at each step, helps me to develop a schema, form a representation of the overall problem or task. How might you incorporate worked examples into your study? Begin by learning first the basics of the material to provide necessary level of background knowledge. Complete any instructor-provided worked example study materials. Work with a study partner to self-explain the steps as I complete the task. What 3 things do you want to consider when using worked examples? Can be used with any stepped procedure in completing a problem or task, should be primarily used for problems or tasks that are new to me. Once I have developed necessary skills to complete similar problems or tasks, no need to continue to use this strategy.